Hi everyone, and welcome back to Gems in the Kitchen. Today I'm making my favorite go-to recipe, my hash. We'll need a green bell pepper that we are going to slice lengthwise so that we can get it diced into nice bite-sized pieces. So we'll go ahead and run our knife through our bell peppers just like this. We want them to look just like this. We've got about a cup of green bell peppers, and we're going to slice 2 cups of mushrooms. We're going to go ahead and prepare 3 green onions. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop. Moving right along, we're going to go ahead and dice up half of a sweet potato. This is actually going to end up being 1 cup. On our preheated pan, we're going to add some avocado oil and saute our bell peppers. Again, over medium heat, medium low, we're going to add our diced sweet potatoes, toss them around, and let's get to seasoning. We'll go ahead and start with my mix of flavorings. It's a fajita seasoning with cumin and oregano. This is a little bit of smoked paprika. A little goes a long way, so a light dusting of that. A generous sprinkle of chili powder. And as you can see, I'm not measuring. It is by eye. I'm going to go ahead and toss everything around, and it does look a little dry. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more of the avocado oil and give the spices and the veggies a chance to get to know each other and get nice and yummy. We'll add our mushrooms at this point and then toss to make sure that they are evenly coated with the seasoned oil now. Yum, yum, yum. Make sure that you're at, again, a nice medium low heat and keep it sauteing, keep it moving. And as you can see, I'm adding now some minced garlic, tossing it in the pan, and I'm adding it later on, as you can tell, because I didn't want it to burn. I want the potatoes and the veggies to cook down a bit. Look at this. Oh, amazing. All right, let's continue to season now as we go. We are going to add a little bit of onion powder. Again, by eye. Feel free to be generous, no salt there. A light sprinkle of cumin for a little smoky earthiness. And this is my another all-purpose seasoning. This is the Flavor God, the everything seasoning. Goes good on everything, including my hash. Let's go ahead and give everything a tossy toss. Looking good. And we're just going to go ahead and cook this down for a good 15-20 minutes, maybe 15 minutes, until the sweet potatoes are nice and tender. We'll add our green onions or scallions here at the end, as well as our garbanzo beans or chickpeas. This is about half a cup here. We're going to go ahead and toss them, make sure they're evenly coated with all the goodness. End it with a light sprinkle of salt to taste and pepper. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, this is amazing on its own, with rice, on a salad, in a wrap. Here I'm having it with some basmati rice, fresh tomatoes, of course some avocado and broccoli. Top it with a little bit more green onion, and of course a little bit of sriracha. Give this a try, let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Thanks for watching.